In all my years of sewing home dec items, I have never been asked to make a pillow out of placemats before. But not long ago, a client came and asked me if I could use these placemats to make a pillow. It's just a really cute idea, so I'm just going to show you how I made this cute little pillow and what kind of placemats to look for if you want to try and do it yourself. The best choices to look for are ones that are not really thick, like the rag rug type, or really stiff ones. I found a few on Amazon that I thought would be good candidates, and I have links to them in the description below. This blue set is similar to the one that my client brought me that had a consistent small fringe on the ends. This set right here that you're seeing has a different kind of fringe on the end that would work really well. And lastly, this kind with the multiple tassels on the side would be really cute as well. So I'm going to provide some links to those below. So all I did was we pre-washed these placemats. The first thing I need to do is press them and make sure that my edges, my fringes are laying nice and flat and even. I went ahead and put an invisible zipper in the bottom. You certainly don't need to do that. You can just leave an opening to put stuffing in and then hand sew it closed or machine sew it closed. But if you want to put an invisible zipper in, I do have a really good video on how to do that, and I will link to it here. So you basically just put the right sides together of your placemats and sew the top and bottom together with a standard seam allowance. Turn it right side out so you have sort of a tube like this, and then press your top and bottom seams flat. That will make it easier to line up your side edges. Once your side edges are lined up, you're just going to stitch close to the edge on the outside. It's going to just be like an outside top stitching. Stuff it and close it, and that's all there is to it. If you're interested in learning a little bit more about the different kinds of pillow stuffing or filler that you can use, I did do a video on that, and I'll link to that here for you. So anyway, I just thought this was a really cute idea, and I wanted to share it with you. If you like home dec sewing, you should check out my channel, A Square Pillow Isn't Square. It has all kinds of videos on all sorts of things related to home dec sewing. If you like my channel, please hit that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.